Method 1. USB download. Directly copy the static data to your computer via USB cable. Method 2. Web download. If no USB cable or computer is available, you can also download the static data through receiver web page via Wi-Fi connection. Connect your computer or phone to the Wi-Fi of Gnss receivers. Wi-Fi name, receiver serial number, Wi-Fi password 12345668. Log into the web page in the browser. IP number 192.168.10.12. Username admin. Password admin. Go to Work Management. File download. Select the file date and other settings to filter the static data you need and then download.